I think about the days of what I really had, the fussing and the fighting, even all the laughs. I hear about my words, how I talk about the past, and all I know is things come and hardly ever last. Sometimes I just question why this always happens. It's like all the time I feel my heart is always trapped in. People nowadays that never real, they always acting. I found a way of letting out, and now it's come to rapping. I gained a lot of friends, I lost a couple of them. I only love my family and put no one above them. I seen the worst in life, a lot of it is jealousy. My father was the one who really caught the fucking felony, but that's a lesson in life, and that was just a penalty. Others tried to get to me and drive me crazy mentally. Women who choose money and men over everything, even when it comes to putting diamonds on that wedding ring. I'm trying to do my best, I wanna go far. I hope I live my dreams of having girls and driving cars, and wish on one day to be coming to a star, which means I always struggle when it comes to living large. It's crazy how you struggle in life and then you die fast, and everybody in life looks for a bypass. The world struggles to say truth and they lie fast. Rappers in the game look fly but they rhyme trash. I speak nothing but real because it's all heart. They forgot what they came from with a false start. They losing pieces of structure, I'm here with all parts. And I can say I'm the shit and you rappers all farts. Whatever happened to 50 back in 03? He lost his hunger and passion is what they told me. I stopped smoking weed cause it got the best of me. I'm here thinking about the future, destiny. I'm trying to live a better life than the worst, cause living broke on the low sucks and it hurts. Yeah, so I guess I have to play along, cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Yeah, I got what it takes to get stronger. Got to love yourself to stay strong. Got to love yourself to get stronger. I'm thinking
of a solution, musical revolution, a mental resolution to conquer all my confusion and get away through spiritual escapades. Return to brighter days, waking up the chef's amaze. My rage is a result of all the bitter pain that is caged in my chest. The maze of this mess got me praying like, God, I know I sin, but keep me blessed. And the only thing I ask for is health, I'll do the rest and become what I'm supposed to be. Recite my dreams while I'm gripping on a rosary, going on a vocal spree. Thoughts of heaven gives me air, but the devil's choking me. Spit that holy water at him, tell him God has chosen me. God has chosen us, so let's get up. Get ready to face hate if you planning to be loved. Cause love ain't in record sales, smiles or hugs. It's the strongest force of all, and it comes from above. Stay strong.
Yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Cause yeah, I got what it takes to stay strong. Got to love yourself to get stronger. Got to love yourself to stay strong. Got to love yourself to get stronger. Got to love yourself to stay strong.